Welcome to this comprehensive guide on paraphrasing tools. In this video, we will explore leading content rewriting and rephrasing software that professionals use to improve their writing. Whether you're a content creator, student, or business professional, paraphrasing tools can save you time and elevate the quality of your work. Paraphrasing tools are artificial intelligence-powered software applications that rewrite your text while keeping the original meaning intact. They help you improve clarity, adjust the tone, and adapt your content for different audiences. These tools use advanced algorithms to generate alternative versions of your text, making them essential for anyone who works with written content regularly. There are several key reasons to incorporate paraphrasing tools into your workflow. First, they save you significant time by generating rewrites instantly instead of doing it manually. Second, they improve the overall quality and readability of your content. Third, you can adapt the tone to match different audiences, whether you need formal, casual, academic, or professional language. Finally, these tools help you avoid plagiarism by creating original versions while preserving your message. When choosing a paraphrasing tool, consider several important features. Look for tone options that allow you to switch between formal, casual, academic, and professional styles. Security is crucial, so verify that the tool protects your data and content privacy. Readability statistics help you understand the grade level and clarity of your output. Finally, check what formats are supported, whether you need a web interface, browser extension, API access, or desktop application. The market offers several excellent paraphrasing tools. Quillbot uses advanced artificial intelligence for high-quality rewrites. Copyscape specializes in plagiarism detection. Jasper AI is a comprehensive content writing platform. Spinbot excels at instant spinning and quick turnarounds. WordTune works as a convenient browser extension. And GPT 4.0 offers versatile capabilities across many writing tasks. Each tool has unique strengths we'll explore in detail. Let's compare these tools across key dimensions. Quillbot offers a free plan with 7 or more tone modes and API access at $10 to $20 per month. Copyscape has no free plan, but charges 10 cents per search with API availability. Jasper AI lacks a free option, costs $39 to $125 per month, includes multiple modes, and provides API access. WordTune offers a free plan with 5 or more tone modes at $15 to $20 monthly, though it lacks API support. To provide accurate recommendations, we used a rigorous testing approach. First, we selected diverse sample texts including blog posts, technical documentation, and marketing copy to ensure real-world applicability. Second, we evaluated each tool's features, tone modes, and customization options. Third, we analyzed their performance by testing speed, accuracy, and consistency across multiple attempts. Finally, we assessed user experience by examining the interface, ease of use, and integration capabilities of each platform. Our testing revealed impressive results across different metrics. For output quality, we scored tools 9.2 out of 10, with Quillbot leading the way by producing natural and coherent text. For speed, we achieved 8.8 out of 10, with Spinbot being the clear winner in instant processing. For tone accuracy, we rated tools 8.5 out of 10, with Jasper AI excelling at consistent mode adaptation. These scores represent the average performance across all tested content types and scenarios. Based on our comprehensive testing, here are our top recommendations. For best overall choice, Quillbot stands out with superior output quality and an intuitive interface perfect for professional writers and content creators. For best value, WordTune offers affordable pricing with excellent browser integration and real-time suggestions. For enterprise teams, Jasper AI provides a comprehensive platform with templates, API access, and collaboration features for marketing agencies. For those who need speed, Spinbot delivers lightning-fast paraphrasing ideal for high-volume content needs. Let's summarize the essential points from this guide. Paraphrasing tools save time and improve content quality across multiple use cases like writing, editing, and content creation. When choosing a tool, consider your specific needs. whether you prioritize quality, speed, tone variety, or budget. Quillbot leads in overall quality, while other tools excel in specific areas like processing speed or affordable pricing. Most tools offer free trials, so test them with your actual content before committing to a paid plan. Start with a free trial and find the tool that best fits your unique workflow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.